Are you planning your next vacation with your friends or family? If so, you might want to consider using JIRA to help you organize your plans. But what exactly are boards in JIRA? Boards in JIRA are like virtual whiteboards that help you keep track of tasks and progress. They allow you to see what needs to be done, who's responsible for each task, and what tasks have been completed. Let's say you and your friends are planning a beach vacation. You can create a board in JIRA to track your tasks, such as booking flights, finding a rental car, and reserving a beach house. You can also assign tasks to specific people and set due dates, which helps everyone stay on track. So next time you plan a vacation with your friends or family, consider using JIRA boards to help you stay organized and on track. It's like having a virtual assistant that helps you keep everything in order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel at Tech with Just Jingle Tingle for more tips on how to use JIRA and other software tools.